Let us look at the Maximin gain criteria of decision-making process under uncertainty. This is also known as the criteria of pessimism. The criteria forces the decision maker to think that the nature is an active opponent and will always work to the disadvantage of the decision maker. Or in other words, let's take the case of the economy. That this criteria considers that there will be a deep recession in the coming years. Hence, in this criteria, the decision maker examines the minimum payoff that would result from each solution alternative and then selects the one with the maximum of the minimum payoffs. So Maximin is the determination of the best from the worst. A manufacturer of laptops is faced with the problem of selecting one of the two models to be manufactured. The profit depends on the market acceptability of the model, which at present is uncertain, but it has been broadly classified into four categories: excellent, good, fair, and poor. The profits or losses expected by the management from the different levels of market acceptability of the models are given in a tabular format. So you can see that market acceptability has been listed as excellent, good, fair, and poor, and the profit for each of the models has also been provided. So what this means is, if the market acceptability is excellent, model A can generate a profit of 60,000 rupees, while model B can generate a profit of 78,000 rupees. Similarly, if the market acceptability is good, model A can generate a profit of 28,000 rupees, while model B can generate a profit of 30,000 rupees, and so on. Now the question is, which model should the company select? If you note in this problem, the probability of market acceptability being excellent or good or fair or poor is not given. Because of this unknown, this is a case of decision making under uncertainty. Now let's look at the Maximin gain criteria and see how this can be solved. So let us first build the payoff matrix. So we list our models, model A and model B, and the columns we list the state of nature or market acceptability. So excellent, good, fair, and poor. For model A, we had 60,000, 28,000, 18,000, and 8,000. For model B, 78,000, 30,000, 8,000, and minus 12,000. Now, as per the concept of the Maximin criteria, let us first note down the minimum payoffs from each of the models. Okay, so for model A, the minimum payoff is 8,000, and for model B, the minimum payoff is minus 12,000. So basically, what this means is that in the worst scenarios, model A can give a profit of 8,000 rupees, while model B will give a loss of 12,000 rupees. Now, as per the Maximin criteria, we have to select the maximum of the minimums. So the maximum of the minimum is 8,000, which is provided by model number A. So our optimal strategy would be to select model